posing. Might as well take a picture. Let me roll up the swisher. Post that shit up to Twitter so you can see what I'm smoking. Only smoking that potent, and you know it, you know it, you know it. Ever since I was a youngin', coming up off my grind, just hustling full time. Why you so impressed when I pull